private or it's not private.
Yeah.
That doesn't work anymore in the AI realm, if you will, because we're now sliding around in a whole big scale of gray. If anyone has ever had a CVS membership and ever punched in the CVS membership number and got the, I call like the scroll length of receipts, that is data and machine learning at its finest, knowing your purchase history and giving you offers that's relevant. Is your data private? Yes, technically, because all it says is this membership number loves to buy toilet paper and let's say deodorant from CVS. So we're going to give them a little more incentive to do that.
Yeah.
But is it also not private? Kind of, because yeah, they know your postal code. Yeah, they know your behavior and buying patterns. They therefore know which stores to stock and how to stock those stores accordingly. So from a professional world perspective, we're now entering that realm where it's a sliding scale, right?
Mm-hmm.
The questions I would ask is, how is your data being used as opposed to is your data private or not? Because I think the general blanket across the board answer I would give is like, no, it's not 100% private, but define private, right? It's about, is your employee data being anonymized before it's used to train the machine learning or LLM models or even SLM models? How is your employee data being used? Where is your employee data being stored? What parts of employee data is being used? Are the LLMs being trained on your company's specific data? What is your data being used to do in the broader environment, and how all of those things happen? So I think it's a bit of a shift of mindset in terms of absolute to now a sliding scale of what is important to you and what you need to protect on behalf of the organization.